How to save Instagram Reels to camera roll. So let's head over right here to our Reels, and you can see in here all of the Reels that you can actually store. For example, let's head over and save this particular Reel right here. Let's head over and click on this share icon right here, and then you can scroll until here until you can see this option for download. So click on this download right here, and then as you can see, this will be downloaded. So I think where it is downloading. And once it's downloaded, you can see it on your gallery right here. The assets right here, here's our reel and it's been successfully downloaded. However, take note that not all reels have that download option. You can try to scroll. As you see, this one has download. And also, this one doesn't have that download button, which means that not all reels can be downloaded. So that's how you save Instagram reels to camera roll. Hope we help.